8.2. A hiker drops a pebble from a bridge 144 feet above a canyon. The polynomial minus 16 t square plus 144 gives the height in feet of the pebble t seconds after it was dropped. Find the height of the pebble from the bottom of the canyon a second after it was dropped, and how many more seconds will it fall before it touches the bottom of the canyon. So it basically has two parts, but let's first understand the problem. So there was a canyon. I'll just draw it simply. And there was a bridge. So this is your canyon. And this is your bridge. And a pebble is dropped by a hiker. So the hiker is standing, let's say, somewhere at the middle of the bridge. And he drops a pebble. To the bottom of the canyon. The canyon height is, the canyon, the ground, where the pebble ultimately touches is about 144 feet in height. And the height of the pebble from the ground is h, let's call it h. It is given in a polynomial expression, minus 16 t square plus 144. So let's say this is wherever it is supposed to fall. $144 feet, and the moment the pebble is released from the hand, the time count starts. So at the moment the pebble was released, t was 0, and then when the pebble reaches the ground, the t is whatever that value of t is. And the height of the pebble, as the pebble is traveling downward, the height diminishes with time and it becomes 0 when the pebble reaches. So it is asked that 1 second after the pebble was released, what is the height of the pebble from the ground? So let's call it h1 equals minus 16 times 1 square plus 144 equals 144 minus 16, and that is 128. 128 feet. So the pebble is 128 feet above the ground a second after it was released. Now the next question is, how many more seconds will the pebble travel before it touches the ground? So let's calculate how many seconds total did the pebble travel. Let n seconds be the time the pebble traveled. Till it touches ground. N seconds. So that means h, when it touches the ground, the height is 0. So h 16 minus 16 n square, we are putting n in place of t here, plus 144 equals 0. At n seconds, the height is 0. Or, now we can solve this equation. We'll take the 16n square on the other side and flip it, so it becomes 16n square plus, or positive 16n square equals 144, or n square equals 144 divided by 16, and cancelling the factors, we should get 9. Or n equals 3. Square root of 9 is 3. So the answer is that the total time of travel was 3 seconds and the time it descended was 1 second in the first problem. So if you are asked how many more seconds, that will be 3 minus 2. So answer is 2 seconds. So that is your answer. 2 seconds more it's going to travel.